The patterns for this beret are really simple. You'll just need a circle and a rectangle of about 80 cm, which I divided into other pieces of 40 cm each. Following Sucrose design, I also sewed in 2 small black pieces into the rectangle, a white center piece, and I also ironed some details with thermo adhesive vinyl. Now you can assemble the patterns by placing the rectangle on top of the circle and pinning it carefully, creating ruffles. This is how it will look after sewing it together. Now cut out a stripe of fabric of about 40 cm. And pin it again around the beret to create the bottom edge. To make the beret keep a round shape, I take a piece of tulle and place it inside the beret. It will also give it a more professional look. Pin it once again around the edge, creating ruffles. And secure it in place by turning over the rectangle piece of fabric we sewed beforehand.